Hi everyone, John here from Feedback Nexus. In today's video I'm going to be walking you through setting up your account so you can start collecting feedback from your customers. To get started, go to admin.feedbacknexus.com and you will see this screen. If you have a Google account, click Continue with Google. Log into your Google account and you will be logged in straight away. If you do not have a Google account, click the sign up button and complete the form. After submitting, please check your email. You have to click a link to activate your account. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. Click the Create Portal button and enter a name. Enter either the name of your company or product. Then enter a portal URL name. This will be your public portal URL where your customers can add feedback. Once created, click on your portal and you will be taken to the portal dashboard. To view your public portal, click the link at the top and a new tab will open. This is the URL your customers will interact with your portal. To view and edit your portal settings, click the gear icon at the top right and you will see various options. Public portal access. This option allows you to turn off your public portal if you do not want anyone to access it. Moderation. These options allow you to turn on moderation for new feedback items and comments. When someone creates a new feedback or comments on a feedback, it will go into your moderation queue before it goes live on your public portal. When there are items awaiting moderation, you will see a link on your portal dashboard to view and moderate them. Notifications. These options allow you to receive emails when certain things happen, such as when someone adds a new feedback item or comments on one. The email digest settings allow you to receive an email informing you of portal activity, such as feedback and comments. Integrations. If you use Slack or Discord, you can receive a notification into your Slack or Discord channel when a new feedback or comment is created. Custom webhooks. Use these options to enter a webhook URL, where you will receive notifications when customers create new feedback, a feedback item is updated, or somebody adds a comment. Appearance. Use these settings to customize your portal logo, button colors and typography. Enter any custom CSS you would like to be used on your public portal and choose whether or not you want Feedback Nexus link on the bottom of your public portal. Embeddable widget. To embed your feedback portal on your own website, you must first enter your website domain here. Once added, you will be able to copy the embedded code onto your page of your website, and when you view it, your portal will be shown. Custom domain. If you want to use a custom domain for your public portal, enter the domain name here, then click Set Up Domain. You will be shown various DNS entries to add to activate your portal on your public domain. Importing feedback. If you have feedback from another system that you would like to import, scroll to the bottom of your portal dashboard and click Import Feedback. Follow the instructions and your feedback will be imported and analyzed. Viewing feedback items. Your portal dashboard shows the newest 5 feedback items. Click the Quick Look button to view each item, or click the item itself to view all details. The feedback details screen contains the following section. Feedback details. This is feedback details that were entered by the customer. At the bottom of the feedback details card, you can see the status, priority, category, upvotes and approval status. AI insights. Smart categorization. When the AI analyzes the feedback, it looks at your current categories and suggests what category it thinks the feedback should be in. AI tag analysis. It also analyzes your tags and suggests relevant tags. Sentiment analysis. It also analyzes the sentiment of the feedback to work out whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. File attachments. You can upload file attachments to feedback items to give you more context. For example, if your customer provided a screenshot or supporting information in a document. Internal notes. Add internal notes that are not viewable on your public portal. Followers. This shows all of your customers that are following this feedback item. Upvotes. This shows all of your customers that have upvoted this feedback item. Admin controls. This section contains all of the buttons to update the status, priority, edit the feedback, rewrite it with AI, merge it into another feedback item, assign it to one of your admin users, and delete it. Comments. This section contains all of the comments added to this feedback item. You can also click the Generate Comment button to have AI generate a comment for you in different scenarios, such as thanking the commenter or asking for more information. Managing duplicates. When customers submit feedback, they are prompted if the feedback they are adding is the same or very similar to feedback already in the system. They can, however, choose Submit anyway. To view any potential duplicates, go back to your portal dashboard, scroll to the bottom and click the Duplicates card. This page will list any potential duplicates and allow you to merge them. My assignments. If you have more than one user using the system, you can assign feedback items to users. To view all feedback items currently assigned to you, click the assignments icon at the top right of your portal dashboard. You can search your assigned items as well as filter by status, priority or category. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. To find out more about Feedback Nexus, go to feedbacknexus.com.